Well, I'm breaking all the rules with the Greenstalk planter. Don't follow me, but why leave this reservoir section up here empty when you could put soil in there and plant some things? So today, I just picked up some more seeds. I don't know what I'm going to do with seeds. I got so many different seeds and I'm still buying seeds. Anyway, I picked this up yesterday at Walmart. This is like multiple color lettuce. I'm gonna sprinkle it up here. Not doing all of them, just a few. And then I'm gonna pour water on top of it. And I have other lettuce that I started. Somehow they're not growing. What happened to them? Like 2 different times. Anyway, hopefully I get some lettuce from this one.